Very cool morning, dear friends. How are you all? Little friends, how are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn as it is English subject. Yes, today you are going to learn one interesting topic, that is one and many. Now tell me, what is the meaning of one that you all know? Yes, so I will show you some of the examples. Yes, one and many. One means one object. What is this? Come on, tell me. This is a ball, but Miss is having only one ball. Yes. Now one means only one object. Yes. Now Miss is having how many balls? Two balls. Yes. So this is many. बेटा वन मीन्स सिर्फ एक रहता है और मेनी मीन्स एक से ज्यादा जब रहता है उसको हम मेनी बोलते हैं. यस, दिस इज वन एंड दिस इज मेनी. ओके, वन से कभी भी ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स रहता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मेनी. ओके, आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड वन एंड मेनी. वन मेनी, वन मेनी. यस, one many, one many. Some more examples we will know. Okay, yes, look at here, dear kids. This is one toy. In this chair only one toy is here. Okay, in this chair only one toy is here. Yes. Oh, now look at here. One and two. This is many. Many means एक से ज़्यादा. Okay, one, two. Two toys are here. So this is called many. Okay. Now look at here. How many pens are here, beta? Only one pen. Yes, one. So only one pen is here. Now count these pens बेटा. 1, 2, 3 and 4. एक से जब ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स रहता है, एक से ज़्यादा पेन्स है बेटा यहाँ पर, इसलिए दैट्स वाई दिस इज कॉल्ड मेनी. ओके, वन मीन्स ओनली वन ऑब्जेक्ट, मेनी मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा. ओके, yes, now look at both sides. Only one pen are kept here, that is one object, and more than one object is called many. Okay, now tell me, how many book are miss kept here? Only one book. One. Okay, only one. Okay, dear kids, now here count the books. 1, 2, 3. 3 books are here. So this is many. Okay, one many. Yes, look at here. Only one book are kept here. So book we will call book. So here many books are here. एक से ज़्यादा है बेटा. That's why these are books. Many books. Okay, many books. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood the concept of one and many. Yes, Miss had drawn. Yes, look at here, dear kids. Miss had drawn 2 columns, beta. Yes. So one side there is only one object and another side there is many objects. Yes, that is one and many. So at the very first, what is this? Come on, tell me. This is ball. Only one ball. And here now count these balls. 1, 2. 2 balls are here. More than one. So this is called many. Okay. Here what is this? Yes, this is a mango. Yes. And here mangoes. More than one mango. Yes. So these are called mangoes. Okay. Now tell me what is this? Star. Okay. Yes. Now look at here. What is this? Mango. Only one mango. And here mangoes. More than one mango. Yes, that is mangoes. Now what is this? Star. Only one star is here and here many stars. Okay. Stars. Yes, dear kids. I think you had understood this concept better. Now I will draw. Come on, tell me what is this? This is a crayon. Yes? One crayon. Yes? Now here many crayons. This is many. One, many. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood this concept. Now we will do it in our book beta. Okay? Yes, dear kids, now take out page number 91. Take out page number 91, dear kids. Yes. Now look at this picture and tick the correct options. Okay. Now we had done this. I think you had understood the concept of one and many. So here it has given one doll. One doll spelling is also written and many dolls. So where we will tick beta? One doll. Okay. In front of this we have to tick, put a tick here. Yes, only have to put a tick. Now tell me how many trees are here? Many trees. More than one trees are here. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So we will take many trees. Now look at these pictures beta. How many cars are here? 1, 2, 3. So we will put a tick on many cars. Okay. Now tell me how many balls are here? Here there is only one ball. So we will put a tick, one ball. Now count these books, dear kids. 1, 3 books are here. So we will take in this column many books. How many pencils are here? 1, 2, 3 pencils are here. Again we will take many pencils. In this column we will put a tick. Yes, dear kids. Now here there is only one bag. So you have to put tick in this column, one bag. Oh, look at here. What is this? Road. Many roads are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will put tick in this column, many roads. Like this way you have to complete this page, dear kids. I hope you have understood how to solve this page beta. Okay. Now take out page number 9 to 92. Okay, dear kids, now look at here carefully. Look at the pictures and write their names along with one or many. 2 have been done for you. Okay. Here what is it? Which picture is this beta? Chick. So here it had written one chick. Here bottles. So many bottles. Like this way we have to solve this page. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Which fruit is this? Mango. So we will write here one mango. Okay. Yes. Now we will write O-N-E. One. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. One mango. And here what you will write? Many flowers. M-A-N-Y. Many. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Many flowers. What you will write here, beta? One hat. O-N-E. One. H-A-T. Hat. Yes, dear kids. Now what? Look at here. Here you will write many girls. M-A-N-Y. Many. G-I-R-L-S. Many girls. Okay. Now tell me what you will write here. Here are many dogs. So we will write here M-A-N-Y. Many. D-O-G-S. Many dogs. Okay. Now tell me what you will write here. One boy. O-N-E. One. B-O-Y. Boy. Like this way you have to complete this page, beta. Okay, dear kids. Now we will read one chick, many bottles. One mango, many flowers. One hat, many girls. Many girls. Many dogs, one boy. Yes, like this way you have to complete this page and send it to me, dear kids. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you in next period, beta.